such an awesome testimony. And then he's going to share his testimony. Then he's going to bless us with the song. I mean, you're going to be blessed with that. Yeah. And so, you know, if you see that he likes it, you know, if he sees that you guys really like it, he might even sing us another song next week. You know, so at this time, I want to introduce you, Brother Ziggy is going to come up here. Come on, let's give him a welcome to come up here to share his testimony. And he's going to bless with this song and music. Amen. One more time, church. Come on, let's Brother Ziggy up on the stage. Test. Oh, okay, it's working. Hello. Good afternoon. First off, I'm just blessed to be here, and I'm so thankful for today, waking up, breathing again, and you know, every day, ever since my experience that I'm going to talk about, my life has been flipped inside out, and I see things that I've never seen before. I've seen it, but I've never seen it before till now. So I'm just going to, just a little brief, but what Pastor was talking about, if any of you have friends for next week, see, what happened was I had friends before the encounter. Now, I don't need anybody else. I only have one friend that's the most important thing. So I want you to understand that the numbers in friends does not matter. In God's eyes, you are all that matters. So I'm truly blessed and thankful for the opportunity that I went through. Just recently, actually, I'm going to go and bear my testimony on that. This past week, I come from the life of the world before encounter. So before that, I was doing everything that you could think of, and out of my brother's mind, he thought that I would be the last person on earth to turn my life around. So, but he's the reason why I changed, because I saw the change in him, and I wanted to be that happy. Amen. So that's when I decided to go. But I was into the drinking heavily, which was almost pretty much every day. My mom was a witness to that. Sorry, Mom. But, and, you know, it was just all about, that was it for me. Like, drink, go to church, but not really go to church, you know what I mean? Like, you just go just to show up so your parents don't yell at you. But that was the norm for me. I thought that was, I'll be cool. As long as I get to church, I'll get to heaven. No, I woke up. So I decided to go to Encounter, and Encounter was the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. There's no words that I can tell God, thank you so much.
Speak on it, bro.
There's not a word in the dictionary that can show my appreciation for the God that I serve today, standing before you. And I just thank the pastors here at Word of Life-Samoa for praying for me, the team, my brothers and sisters, my family, and everyone else. And I'm so grateful. And these are tears of joy because I know where I'm going after this already. So, thanks. But yes, but because I love the Lord so much, I'm going to share a song with you guys, and hopefully you guys can feel exactly how much I love God and how much we all do love God. Amen. the glory. You're looking at heaven now. His